बेकायदेशीरपणान बेळगांवांतल्यान गोंयांत बिफाची तस्करी करतना वाळपय पुलिशेन सुबानी वसीर अहमद ह्या तरणाट्यांक अटक केल्या. सुमार 10 लाखांच्या बिफा सयत ताका वाळपय पुलिशेन होंडा हांगासर अटक केल्या म्हण म्हायती वाळपय पुलिशेन दिल्या. RTX गोवा खातीर वाळपयच्यान निलेश परवार.
Today we have registered the crime against one driver named Shubhani son of Bashir Ahmed, resident of Belgaum, for illegally transportation of beef from Belgaum to Goa, who was supplying at Mapsa market and Panjim. We have also attached the vehicle number K22C 565466 which was used for illegal transportation. Driver has been arrested and total beef we have attached is 1530 kg. It around maybe more than 2 lakh.